Hello, I'm Floris from XenFans, and in this screencast on how to create your own first add-on for XenForo, I want to talk about how we can find a hook from one of the existing templates and then update our PHP code by using it and injecting our own template in the existing contents of XenForo. First of all, let's increment our plugin again. There we go. And we're ready to go. Now to find a template, you can go through every template that comes with the system. I just happen to know that there are add templates which are quite empty at specific locations, such as above the template and below the breadcrumb template. And I want to use the one that is above the top of the breadcrumb. And I've filtered all the templates by simply typing bread in here. The hook is add above top breadcrumb, and that's awesome because any template can have one or more Xen hook definitions, and the name for this one is add above top breadcrumb. Okay, so let's go to our PHP code, and in our method for XenFans demo, we want to create a switch, and that switch is basically when we run into this hook name, and the hook is actually the case, therefore the hook case is actually called add above top breadcrumb, then do whatever we want to do. So we're going to create a switch, and this is going to be hook name, and we don't need the default, so I'll take that out. And my code is actually this. I've put it in my clipboard instead of wasting time typing it out in the video. And the case is going to be the name of that template, so that's also easy to copy paste. So hook name goes to the switch, the name of the hook goes to the case. So when it runs into the hook, in that case, we're going to say in our own XenFans demo contents, we're going to use XenForo's default this template create, but we're going to use our template, XenFans demo main template, and then also template get params. That's for later. But yeah, and then the default contents, which is expecting content, is going to be updated by saying our contents here is going to be appended or prepended in this case to the existing content. So we're going to replace what is already in XenForo. So let's go have a look at our page. It is nothing, and this is the top breadcrumb, and we want to put it above the top breadcrumb. So that should go there when we save it. So let's save and have a look. And refresh, and there we go. Test is now a paragraph injected above whatever we have. And this is so awesome because we have not customized any of the existing templates. We've done nothing to the default XenForo. All we've done is inject our own template. So that's awesome. Okay, let's have a look at our plugin. So I'll list all our add-ons. This is the one we want to export. And open it in Finder. And with our favorite text editor. Let's see if anything new is coming up. Nope, because we've done everything in PHP, but the version ID is incremented. Whatever needed to be done has potentially been changed, but at least we know this is the version where we added our PHP code. So at this time, if you want to share it, you'll have to get your library XenForo demo index file. So you have to provide this to the user, the XML file, and that's it. You're good to go. Put it in a zip and you can share it. And when you want to install the plugin, all you have to do is upload the that folder with that index PHP, then go to install add-on and select the XML. And your custom template will be inserted and it will display on the right spot on the forum without having to do anything else I mean, you don't have to customize existing templates. So that's awesome. This is basically a working, functional first add-on. You can do a lot more, but more about that in future videos. For now, this is enough.